adventure. So today we're gonna be going camping. I found another lake. Hopefully this lake will provide me food because, you know, we're gonna be catching and cooking. So if we don't catch anything, we ain't gonna be eating. I'm kidding. I'm actually gonna eat. I brought chicken and then I brought burgers. I want to really make some burgers out there. So I'm pretty excited. But right now, as it looks, it's really foggy. We're in the 30s right now, 30 degrees. So it's gonna be a cold ass night and a cold ass day, and it's gonna be really foggy. So I'll try my best not to get lost. Hopefully I don't. Alright y'all, quick update. We are currently 40 minutes away from the destination. We just passed Natchez Valley, or Natchez River. Not gonna lie, it's freaking clear out here. The sun's out now, which is amazing. Back over there, like before getting over here, it was really foggy and hard visibility and all that stuff, but apparently it's clean now. It's really clear. We're currently 3 minutes away. No joke, this scenery is so beautiful. It's all trees. Everything's just straight up. The whole entire road is just trees, pine trees, and it makes a beautiful, like, cinematic shot. But I'm not gonna stop because I'm already close to the lake. Based on what it looks from the map, it looks like it's a big lake, but at the same time, from what I'm seeing right now, like visually, it looks dry. All right, y'all. So right now, I'm preparing. I'm gonna go down the river. I want to go check it out. So let's go on a little hike. I gotta just secure my truck, make sure it doesn't go back. There you go. That should be good. All right, let's go. Follow this little trail down to the river. That's where, at least I hope that's where it takes me. That's gonna be a shame if it takes me somewhere else. So let's go. Hopefully there's no bears over here. It's gonna be pretty bad if there's bears. So we're gonna make our way down. Oh, it's really muddy. Let's check this side. Oh man, look at this, guys. Oh, whoa. This is beautiful, guys. Wow, of course, people are gonna write stuff on the... I think I can go down there. Let's see. Wish me luck, guys. Let's go. Oh, I made it down. Ooh. Ouch. So, I made it down. Let's keep going down. Oh. It's really muddy though. So we gotta be careful not to slip and fall, because if we hit our head on one of these rocks, it's game over for us, guys. Game over. Oh. Oh, wow. I was gonna go into the log right here. I was gonna go to that log, take a picture, but I'd rather not risk it falling and dropping my camera gear because I'm doing two things at once. So this would be a perfect time to bring someone along to help me out, but I decided to do things by myself. That's insane. Okay, go ahead and do this. I brought gloves because it's cold, so I gotta be prepared. Anyways, let's go ahead and do this. Oh man, I forgot how hard this is, or how, not hard, but it's just how annoying this is. You know, it is barely, what time is it? It's barely freaking midday, like 12 noon. So we obviously have a lot of time. So we're gonna cook. Okay, let's see. It's still not good. Holy cow, y'all. I'm struggling with this apparently. There you go, much better. These gloves aren't helping. Okay, there you go. Another support beam. Boom. Now we set up the canopy or the porch. Oh man. Oh yes. It's so nice and spacious. By the way, there's mosquitoes, I forgot. I forgot that there's mosquitoes right now. So now, to set up this little porch or whatever you call this, you gotta, again, unclip. You gotta, remove the pin up, detach this. Can't wait to upgrade. I need to upgrade ASAP. Boom. There you guys go. Oh yeah. Amazing. Done. So, like I was saying before I realized my microphone was muted, I washed my hands, right? 'Cause, you know, I've been everywhere. So we're gonna be cooking our beef patties here. We take our seasonings, right? We take our salt, seasoning with salt, left and right. So we put it on low heat. We make sure it doesn't want, we don't want a lot of oil on there. Oh yes. Oh, you hear the sizzling, guys? Oh yeah, burnt part of the burger. Although guys, I did forget one ingredient for the burgers, and that's cheese, but it's fine. I'm lactose intolerant, so I don't want cheese affecting my adventure, so I don't mind. I honestly don't mind. I don't mind. I really don't. I just don't mind if I didn't bring cheese. I don't mind, dude. I don't mind. Look, I missed the cheese. I freaking forgot the cheese, bro. I forgot the cheese, dude. The one thing that makes the burger delicious, the cheese. Ah, dude. Anyways, we're gonna have to make the burger without cheese, so it's gonna be a plain burger. Oh, bacon. Mom, Dad, I promise you I'm safe. There's no bears. Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, all right, this is, okay, hello, okay. So, this is basically what you call a mountain burger, all right? So, I'm gonna call this a mountain burger because it has no cheese, no nothing. So, we got, look at this, just look at this. Look at this, y'all. Wait. Look at this, all right? Just look. Like, just look, dude. Look. We got bacon, we got lettuce, we got patties, we got burger, or the bun. And then we top it all up. Oh yeah. We got two burgers. And then we got pretzels instead of fries, because I forgot the fries. Delicious, y'all. So, I'm just gonna go sit down, enjoy my lunch. I'll see you guys later, all right? Yo, so, voila. I got a fire going. So, after many tries with this stupid thing, the whatever you call this, flintstone, firestone or whatever, and some matches, a lot of matches, and the stinking fire starter that I bought, apparently, that's supposed to start a fire for you. I finally started. So all I had to do was literally turn on a piece of cardboard, and that's it. So far it looks good. Oh man, I was getting worried for a second. I was like, yo, what am I gonna do with no fire here? But seems like it's working. It's getting a little bit cold now that the wind is finally slowing down. So right now I'm just waiting for the waiting for it to get dark. It's barely 4:30 p.m. So the sun it gets completely dark like around 5 p.m. To be honest, when like I'm out here by myself, it's kind of hard to keep me busy because there's not much I can do. So usually with my friends, or if I come with someone, we play card games or stuff like that, or stuff like that. And when I do it by myself, I'm usually overlanding, not just camping. So this whole time I would have been like riding trails and all that stuff, like stuff like that. But since I just came camping by myself, it's a totally different thing. Now I just been here chilling. Not gonna lie, I do get service here, but I'm trying to resist the temptation to just spend this whole time on my phone, because that's the reason why I'm out here, is to avoid online activity and all that stuff. So I'm gonna try my best not to be on my phone. I've already been on it a couple of times because I got bored, but it is what it is. That's what happens when you got cell service and you got notifications going on. Other than that, guys, I honestly been enjoying this. It's been chill, relaxing, and I've been hearing a lot of cars pass by. Yep, there goes another one. I'm gonna eat right now, set everything ready, get ready for bed, even though it's not time yet, but it's getting really dark now. So yeah, I'll set everything up and I'll talk to you guys when I'm in my tent ready to go to bed. All right, so it's currently 5:18, 5:20. Like, dude, it's early. However, this is what happens when you go to the mountains during the winter. It's 5 a.m. or 5 p.m., right? Well, look at this. Look at this. It's pitch black out here. 2 blankets, my sleeping bag. This snowboarding jeans or pants are really warm, and then plus I have my winter jacket on. So I might just simply sleep like this with no sleeping bag, because it's a pain in the ass putting that sleeping bag back in. So I'm gonna try sleeping like this. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have enough layers with that blanket, with those 2 blankets. Hopefully I don't freeze my ass off. And of course we got the emergency kit over here. We got wipes, just in case I gotta go to the bathroom, poop, get off, go to the bathroom, sanitize my hands. We got water, we got more light, my headlamp, we got my pocket knife, safety, we got snacks, just in case I get hungry. And then of course this goes over there. All right, I'm gonna just start getting ready, put everything else to charge. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Have a good night. All right, y'all. Good morning, guys. Holy shit. All right. Good morning, y'all. How's it going? It's currently. I don't even know what time it is. It's raining like really bad outside right now. So, oh man. It is currently 5:42 a.m. Damn, I slept like a baby. I mean, I slept pretty good. Every once in a while I kept waking up because my back was hurting. Like, so since it's like a little bit of a slope where I'm staying at right now, I decided, I'll tell you guys later. I can't even talk right now. Right now I need to pack up because it's raining really hard, and it's still dark, so I can't really see shit, but it's raining a lot. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Man, it's barely 6:30. Yeah, it's barely 6:30. So right now I think I'm gonna head out. I waited for the sunrise for a bit over there, but like right outside the park, or right outside the area where I camped. Well, there was no sunrise, y'all. It is foggy as hell, and it was raining, so no sunrise. So therefore, I decided not to record anything. But right now, I'm already heading home. Anyways. anyways, yo, I appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out the video. If you did enjoy this, make sure you drop a like, comment down below, let me know what you think, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. I will be posting more content. You know, I post content every once in a while when I get a chance. But yeah, y'all, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys and stay safe. Peace out.